Okay, so in this video, I want to take a brief moment to demonstrate the concept behind Brewster Angle. So this is fairly common when creating a hologram because it allows us to minimize reflections off of the glass plate. And in fact, you'll also see a number of references to it in the popular book, Practical Calligraphy. So in order to make this work, two key components have to be in order. The first of which is the angle, which for glass is 56 degrees, and secondly, the polarization of the light. The light has to be P polarized. So in this demonstration, I have configured the light to be P polarized, and you can see that it is being reflected off of this glass plate. So as I rotate the glass plate towards 56 degrees, then we anticipate that the reflection should become fainter and fainter. So here I am, I'm starting to approach 56 degrees, and as I do so, indeed the light becomes fainter. So here it is at 56 degrees, and now as I go beyond that, it starts to become brighter once again. So just in case that was not immediately clear, we can now go back the other direction towards 56 degrees once again. So here it is, relatively faint. And again, going beyond 56 degrees, it becomes brighter once again. And again, this is with the light at P polarization. So now let's take a look at what happens when the light is S polarized. Okay, so here I am inserting a half-wave plate at 45 degrees to change the polarization of the light to S polarization. As you can see, the reflected beam is notably brighter than before, and as I remove the half-wave plate and revert back to P polarization, you can see that contrast between the two. So here it is at P polarization, and now back again at S polarization. And we can repeat the same process as before, rotating the plate, and you can see that there's very little, if any, change in the intensity of the reflected beam. So this simply highlights the importance of that second component, which is that the polarization of the light plays a crucial detail in making Brewster's angle work correctly. And so once again, here it is at P polarization, and you can see again the notably fainter reflected beam. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.